Hi, I'm Dr. Pilar of Pilar Medical Aesthetic. Yes, sa clinic namin, we have patient results to prove it. Pero hindi lang ito dahil sa medicine. The doctor, the screening, and the protocol. And the way every patient is monitored and guided. Sa protocol namin, weight loss should be healthy weight loss. Hindi dehydrated, hindi crash diet, and hindi basta weight loss lang. We've seen patients lose significant weight, up to 30 kilos. Yes, 30 kilos. Slim tight is not about weight loss. Sa ibang patients, habang bumababa ang timbang, maganda rin ang body chemistry, especially blood sugar, in some cases, cholesterol markers. Yung iba, hindi lang timbang ang problema. Malakas humilik, hirap matulog, at putol-putol ang tulog. And weight loss can help improve that too. For PMOS, formerly known as PCOS, we also have a good track record, especially sa patient with weight problem, insulin resistance, and hormone-related concerns. Hindi ka lang bibigyan ng injection and left alone. We guide you even outside the clinic. Food guide, activity guide, weight and dose tracking, plus body metrics through our app. Yes, we have apps. We made it accessible, one of the most affordable doctor-guided program in the Laguna area. Start with a free consultation today.